Hey, I'm Justin from Core Performance. Wanted to just share a little insight and quick review on the sunshades from WeatherTech. We got this request for a review and we did want to share our thoughts because WeatherTech's actually a company that we have loved for a long time. I've actually had a personal love affair with WeatherTech since I was a little kid reading their ads like at 10 years old in Road and Track and Car and Driver. And I've always been a fan of WeatherTech, and the sunshades are no different. So we use the sunshades on our company truck, and the reason we use them is because this is a huge asset for us, and this truck goes out on the road, it represents us at shows, it represents us in front of customers. So we need to make sure that not only is the cabin cool all the time because we're in the business of thermoregulation, but we need to make sure that the asset itself is protected. And frankly, there's nobody that we would trust to protect our assets more like this than a company like WeatherTech. And you guys can see if you come around here that the fit of the WeatherTech sunshades is absolutely spot on. So they just kind of tuck right in between the window seals here. The window shades are really high quality. They roll up nicely. They all fit together really compactly in a roll, and they keep all the shade out or all the sun out, and they totally protect the interior, which is exactly what we're looking for. So thanks WeatherTech for delivering a great product.